शंकर दास केसरीलाल क्या केसरीलाल शंकर दास केसरीलाल नहीं सुपर क्या सुपरलाल समथिंग ये क्या अब मेरा हैंडल मैं नहीं पढ़ पाऊंगा
शेखर लाल
नहीं सचिन को ठीक है उनको अलग नाम है अच्छा शैलेंद्र जो है ये वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 30th August 1923 in Rawalpindi. Died on 14th December 1966 at the age of 43 in Mumbai because of alcoholic disorder. Children are Saili Shailendra, Amla मजदूर और आमला लड़की है मनोज भंडारिया समथिंग और दिनेश शैलेंद्र गोपाल चंद्र यानी 3 लड़कियां 2 लड़के हैं टोटल. इस मदर इज मदर टंग इज बेसिकली भोजपुरी. इज भोजपुरी फैमिली बिलोंग्स टू चमन that is Chamar, sorry, that is family. Originally from Awadh, from Ara, Awadh district, and from Bihar, moved to Rawalpindi to Mathura, and then moved to Bombay. He as a producer also. Only one movie he produced, that is Teesri Kasam, 1966, directed by Basu Bhattacharya, starring Raj Kapoor and Wahida Rahman. Now, he is Hindi Urdu poet, lyricist and film producer. Mostly associated with film makers like Raj Kapoor, singer like Mukesh, music composer Shankar Jackson. This is a combination of the four. He wrote songs for film like Prasad in 1941 and 1949 for Raj Kapoor, Avara, Seaport, Rangoli, Telugu. Dalit Chaudhary also worked. That is Madhumati, S.D. Burman, Guide, Bandini, Kala Bazar, and Ravi Shankar, Anuradha, and Bimal Roy, Do Biga Jamin, also for Devanand. Awards, he got Filmfare Awards, 1958 for Yahudi, 1959, Anadi, 1968, Brahmachari. He got National Award, Film Award for 1967 for Teesri Kasam. This is short about Shailendra. Now I am going to talk about our great writer of Andhra, known as Sinare, C. Narayana Reddy. C stands for Singireddy Narayan Reddy. Born on 29/7/1931 in Anumaji Pet in Karimnagar. Now it presently known as Rajanna Sirsilla. Died on 12/6/2017 in Hyderabad. Father's name is Mallareddy. He is a farmer. Mother is Butchamma, is a housewife. He had primary education, middle and higher education in Urdu. Because in those days in Nizam there is no English in Telugu. His last movie for lyrics was for Inkennalu 2011. He got awards, Sahitya Akademi Award in 1973, Padma Shri in 1977, Kala Prapanna 1978, Jnanapith Award 1988, Vishwarupa book, and Padma Bhushan 1992. He is a poet, a playwright, a composer, an artist, a professor, and a political man also, politician also. This for his first movie is Gule Bakavadi Katha in 1967. More than 3,500 songs he wrote. He got 2 state Nandi Awards. He produced over 80 literary works like poems, prose plays, lyrical plays, translations, and gazettes. He was a member of Rajya Sabha also, Vice Chancellor of Telugu University. I had the opportunity when I was studying BSc in Arts College of Usman University. He was in Arts College. He was a Telugu professor working along with Prabhakar Avadhan Garu and so many people, Kandavalli Ashwanjan Garu like that. And later, when we came back in 2011, we had the opportunity to meet him because of my wife, because he is a literary figure available very frequently. Very good behaved man, and is very well known, and he is a great poet of Telangana. So I like to introduce you all, so you should know about this place also, what a great thing. So that's why I told you slightly more. Now next, start singing.